Are you consistently walking on eggshells around your partner? Every relationship is supposed to be a give and take process. Partners are supposed to work like a team, play like siblings, and know everything about each other. Suppose this is not the case with your relationship. If you're the type that can't predict what to expect from your partner, you tread carefully with him or her so that you don't fall on the receiving end of their wrath. Then this means you're walking on eggshells in that relationship. In that case, you have to learn how to manage the situation for the sake of your mental health.
As usual, if you enjoy watching our video, please help by clicking that like button below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any interesting updates in the future.
Walking on eggshells in your relationship means treading carefully around your partner so you don't hurt yourself by getting on the wrong side of them. It may happen that you do not know the kind of mood they might be in a particular moment, so you're always extremely careful around them. Whatever happens in the relationship always depends on their reaction towards the issue at hand. It feels as if everything you do sets them off, so you find every way to make sure that you're always calculative when you're with them. That feeling of fear or hesitation that you still have whenever you're around your partner is what's known as walking on eggshells. Being in a long-term relationship with this kind of person can be so draining emotionally. Such a relationship is toxic and has all the characteristics of a toxic relationship because it raises your anxiety and stress level. You are confused and clueless about what they want at any given time. Even when you feel that you're beginning to know them a little, they change suddenly, causing you confusion all the time. The only way you can work on this kind of issue is by recognizing it for what it is. And there's no need to try and butter up the problem. This is a case of emotional abuse, and it must be seen as that. You have to stop walking on eggshells because this can severely affect you and your mental health in diverse ways. A common disadvantage of suffering from emotional abuse is self-doubt and low self-esteem. The behavior of your abuser has led you to live a life of confusion. Sometimes you know what they're doing is wrong and that relationship is not healthy, but when you start having this feeling, they suddenly begin to show so much love, thus making you feel the opposite of what you felt before. This is gaslighting, which is also a form of emotional abuse. When you're in this kind of relationship, it's challenging to build a strong relationship, form a protective attachment, and completely bond with your partner. The primary cause of walking on eggshells in a relationship is that you're scared of your partner's reaction in situations because they're unstable in their moods, and you're unable to predict how they'll react to issues. Some days, they try not to get upset, but other days, they respond in ways that blow things way out of proportion for the issue at hand. Because of this fear, you're forced to start covering up things with lies to avoid unnecessary outbursts. To manage this kind of relationship, you have to first work on yourself, build your self-esteem. Know that the quality of the love you give is mostly dependent on the quality of your self-awareness and mental well-being. Understand that people are different and try to make your partner understand that their way's not the only way. When you can do this, you'll build a better relationship and stop walking on eggshells.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.